Let's have a closer look at the Package Builder application in the Snow Atlas portal now. The first time you visit the Package Builder, you will not have many options to select from. You can create an installation package or view the help section. The table of existing packages will be empty, but as you start creating packages, they will show up in this table. As you can see, I have already created a few packages for different operating systems that are now available for download. This table can be filtered by using the search field at the top of each column. I have currently filtered the list of packages to only show packages created by myself. Clicking the magnifying glass will also let you decide how the filter should be applied. The package name is just a name you choose to give your packages at the time of creation, and can help you identify the purpose and target environment for this specific package. The product name is the targeted operating system, and the version column shows the version of the inventory agent this package contains. The OS specifications column provides additional information on the intended architecture for the package. For example, a Windows MSI package can be targeted for either 32 or 64-bit architecture, and Linux packages can in addition be created for two different types of package managers: RPM for Red Hat-based distributions and DEB for Debian-based distributions. Finally, we have the build status column. Right now, all my packages are listed as available for download. You will also see that there can be other statuses, for example, currently building, meaning that the package builder is currently creating a requested package. You can also add additional columns to the table, for example, bringing in the package creation date and the expiration date. The expiration date is when the package will be removed from the package builder. After that, you will not be able to download the package from the package builder anymore. Any installations based on this package will of course keep working. It's just a matter of how long this package is stored in the package builder application. To download them, select one or more of the packages and go to the Actions menu and select Download Package. This is also where you can delete packages when you don't need them anymore. Let's have a look at how to create a new package. In this example, I want to create a Windows agent for my Windows clients, and I want to add some extra features to scan what version of .NET Framework they run. I want to start from scratch with this configuration, so I will download the Windows template from the Help section and fill out the necessary fields. For this quick demo, I will just fill out the mandatory fields: the site name, the config name, and the server endpoint, and leave all other settings as is for now. But as I have mentioned, and as you will see in the following videos, there are plenty of settings to modify the agent behavior. Now that I have my configuration file ready, I can go ahead and click the Create New Installation Package button in the upper right corner. The process is very similar for all operating systems. The main difference is the selection of scripts that you can include, as the scripts targeted for Windows doesn't work or even make sense to run in, for example, a Linux environment. In the Package Details section, we need to provide a name for the package, and we also need to set the expiration date of the package. By default, this is set to the maximum value of 30 days. But you can also set a lower value here. If you haven't downloaded your package before the expiration date lapses, you will have to recreate it, as it will be removed from the list of created packages. The product section is where you select the target operating system, the agent version, and the architecture. In the next section, called Scanning Modules, you can add the additional scripts I have mentioned a couple of times now. The available scripts will vary depending on the agent type, and if you wonder what they do, don't forget that there is a help section with documentation. For the Windows agent, there are some scripts pre-selected, the ones in the standard scanning category. These will always be selected when creating a new package, and you can list them by pressing the Customize button. If you wish to exclude them, you can either do it one by one or disable the entire group. The sections for Java and Oracle scanning works in the same way. You can enable the entire group or customize them to only add selected scripts from the group. The scripts I want to add to scan install.NET Framework versions are located in the Specialty Scanning group. So I'm going to add that to my package and click Save. So far, I have selected the agent type and what scripts to include in the package. The last step is to also include my inventory agent configuration file. The only files that can be uploaded are files with the file ending .config, and the file name will be changed to Snow Agent during the package creation, as the inventory agent requires the configuration file to be named snowagent.config and nothing else. Now we have added everything we need, so let's press Create and wait for the package to show up in the list of available packages. It usually takes a few seconds up to a minute. When it's ready, simply select the package and use the Action menu to download your package. And this is the final result, an MSI package for Windows containing the agent binary, the configuration file, the default PowerShell scripts and the additional scripts I requested for .NET scanning, ready to be installed or deployed. So creating the package itself is not very difficult. The configuration file is probably what you need to spend some time understanding if you are new to it. The following videos will hopefully shed some light on the most important settings and their values.